WSGI versus ASGI. Welcome to our comparison of Web Server Gateway Interface, WSGI, and Asynchronous Server Gateway Interface, ASGI. We delve into the features, use cases, and differences between these two specifications that play a crucial role in web development within the Python ecosystem. WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface. WSGI is a specification for a simple and universal interface between web servers and web applications or frameworks for the Python programming language. It was first proposed in the Python Enhancement Proposal, PEP, 333 and has since become the standard for deploying Python web applications. Features of WSGI. Simplicity. WSGI provides a straightforward interface that is easy to understand and implement. Compatibility. It allows for interoperability between web servers and frameworks. Middlewares. WSGI supports the use of middleware components to add functionalities like authentication, caching, and logging. WSGI code example. Here's a simple WSGI application example. In this example, environ is a dictionary containing the WSGI environment, and start_response is a callback function to start the response by sending the status line and headers. WSGI's place in the ecosystem. WSGI has been the backbone for many popular web frameworks like Django and Flask for synchronous request handling. However, it does not natively support asynchronous request processing, which is becoming increasingly important with the rise of I/O bound and high concurrency applications. ASGI, Asynchronous Server Gateway Interface. ASGI is a specification that supersedes WSGI, designed to serve asynchronous Python web applications and frameworks. It was introduced to address the limitations of WSGI, particularly for applications that require handling asynchronous requests, such as those using async/await syntax. Features of ASGI. Asynchronous support. ASGI natively supports asynchronous request handling. Backward compatibility. It is designed to be compatible with WSGI applications. Channels support. ASGI is designed to work with Channels, which is a framework for building asynchronous web applications in Django. ASGI code example. An example of an ASGI application. In this ASGI application, scope provides information about the request. Receive is a function to receive messages, like request body chunks, and send is a function to send responses back to the client. ASGI's impact on web development. ASGI opens up new possibilities for Python web developers, enabling them to build highly concurrent applications that can efficiently handle long-lived connections, such as those needed for WebSockets and HTTP/2. It is the future-proof choice for modern web applications that require asynchronous processing. Comparing WSGI and ASGI. When comparing WSGI and ASGI, the key differences are centered around synchronous versus asynchronous processing. Synchronous versus asynchronous. WSGI is limited to synchronous request handling, while ASGI supports both synchronous and asynchronous processing. Concurrency. ASGI can handle a large number of concurrent connections more efficiently than WSGI, making it suitable for real-time applications. WebSockets and HTTP/2. ASGI provides native support for WebSockets and HTTP/2, which are not supported by WSGI. Summary. In summary, while WSGI has served the Python web community well, ASGI is the evolution of this interface, providing the necessary tools to build modern, asynchronous web applications. As the web continues to evolve towards more real-time, interactive experiences, ASGI stands as the go-to specification for Python developers looking to stay ahead of the curve. Stay tuned for more.